Odonjne weche mag tuke ne riwruok matayo tuke mag adhula pacho ka Indi Football Kenya Federation olero ni gin gi paro mar daro tuke mag Harambee Stars kowuok e alap manyayo nyaka alap makasarani bang' johera mag adhula pong' mokalo kiewo e tugo mane kind tim mar Harambee Stars gi Gabon mane obagi alap manyayo. Kanowuoyo gi jofwambo, jakom mar FKF Hussein Mohamed olero ni ji mapok ofweny ne onyiewo otiko mathoth kanyachiel kendo mono johera mag adhula mamoko yudo otiko mar donjo e tugo nendo. Kata kamano, tok neno mar alap manyayo mating'o ji maromo 45,000 ne opong' thech. Hussein owacho ni mana johera maromo 17,000 kende ema nonyiewo otiko duto mane omiyo FKF omenda maromo $6.9 million.
Worry of the president is the crowds that can come to Nyayo here and cause damage. But if we go to Kasarani today or tomorrow, you will even want to go there tomorrow and play at Harambee Stars there any match. So Kasarani is ready. And the president's concern is also our concern. We don't want to risk lives here. It's becoming smaller and smaller because the numbers were reduced from 35 to 22. So you see that big. Imagine, Nyayo is not becoming small for Harambee Stars.
It's also about time we adhered to certain safety and security protocols. This is important. If we don't do this, then we'll find ourselves in a situation where some of our facilities might not be usable again, and we don't want to get there. So I'd like to appeal on behalf of my team that if you truly love this game and you truly want to see Kenya flourish and you want to see Kenya prosper in football, help us. Please adhere to the safety and security protocols so that we can keep our families safe, we can keep our fans safe, we can keep our players safe, we can keep everybody safe.